Okay, we're going to talk about writing slope-intercept form. So it's the same kind of concept we've been going over, but this is day 4 now of this. So put that at the top of your paper, writing slope-intercept form, and put today's date in the top right corner. Okay, I think this is the most difficult thing that we're going to do with this, because it's going to take our slope and our slope-intercept form and put them together. So what you need to remember, so write this at the top of your page, remember that slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's important. And then remember slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Okay, we're going to need both of those. So here's what a problem is going to look like. Write the equation of the line that passes through -5, -4, and 15, 0 in slope-intercept form. So that's kind of hard because they don't give us x's or y's. And it says write the equation of the line. So the first thing we have to do is find the slope. And we can do that because we have here x1, y1, and x2, y2. So remember, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's just plug those in. So 0 minus, right, 0 minus -4 over 15 minus -5. All right. So we do this. Minus negative becomes plus positive. So that's a 4 over, again, plus positive. 15 plus 5 is 20. And 4/20 is 1/5. So we found the slope. That's good. That's important. Because, remember, when we do, you know what, let's minimize this real quick, because we found the slope, right? So let's put that over here. So we found the slope, and remember, in y equals mx plus b form, your slope is m. So we know our m. That's good. We know our m is 1/5, right? So now, what do we do with the x and the y? Well, look here. Don't we have x's and y's right here? So we're going to choose one of them, not both of them, but one of them and solve, okay? What I usually do is pick the easiest ones. I think 15 and 0 are easy. So what we're going to do, since this is a y, right, and this is an x, we're just going to take those and plug it into the y equals mx plus b form. And we know our m, right? Our m is 1/5. So watch. This 0 is going to become our y. Our m, remember, we found, which is the slope, is 1/5. Our x is 15. And our b is just b. That's actually what we're solving for. We're just going to solve for b. We want to know what b is. Okay, so 0, 0, right? 1/5 times 15, 1/5 times 15 over 1 is 15 over 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So I'm still not solved for b, right? So I need to get this 3 over there by subtracting. So my b is actually -3. So now it's kind of going in reverse. I know my m, I know my b, now I just plug them in. So it's going to be y equals mx plus b, right? Where my m is 1/5. So it's going to be 1/5 x plus my b, which is -3. Or you could have said -3. Doesn't matter, same thing. Make sense? I hope so. We're going to work on it in class, don't worry. So first thing you got to do is find the slope, right? And then once you find the slope, put that in for your m, and then pick one of the points to plug in for x and y, solve for b, and then plug it back into the y equals mx plus b. Try number 2 on your own. Okay, welcome back. Before we start this one, just to see if everyone is listening, I want you to put a star underneath this example 2, like right here where you number it, put a giant star, like you're getting a star on your paper. for a good grade. Okay, so again, that's x1, y1, and x2, y2. And we need to find slope. It says write the equation of the line that passes through 0, -6, and 315 in slope-intercept form. So let's do that. Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 will give us the slope. So 15 minus -6 over 3 minus 0. 15 plus 6 is 21 over 3. And 21 divided by 3, we could simplify that into 7. So I know that my m is 7. My slope is 7. So now we need y equals mx plus b form. And we know that the m is 7, so let's use these x's and y's to plug in. Now it doesn't matter which one, because either one, the point is actually going to fall on the line. So let's use this one. So I'm going to use 15 for my y. My m, remember, is 7. My x is 3. And plus b. We're solving for b. So this is 21. This just stays 15, right? Plus b. Now I need to actually solve for b. So I'm going to, it's a positive 21. I need to get the b alone. So I'm going to subtract 21. And keep change opposite would be 15 plus -21, which is -6. So b is actually -6. Okay, so now I know my m, I know my b. So I can plug it into y equals mx plus b form. And my y is just y. My m is 7x. And then you could say either -6 or plus -6. It doesn't matter. Okay, so there's your equation. All right, great job.